Hello everyone, welcome to BodhiKidz. Alright, today we are going to learn something very simple but very useful. And I'm sure you have heard people say this many times. I was about to go. I am about to leave. And somewhere in your mind, you may have thought, what exactly does this about to mean? Don't worry, we are going to understand it together very easily. So stay with me. Now tell me something. Have you ever had a moment where you were just going to do something, like just about to do it, and suddenly something happened? That exact moment is where we use about to. Simple. When we say about to plus verb first form, it means something is going to happen very soon, almost now. Not after 1 hour, not tomorrow, but just about to happen. Let's make it real. Imagine this. You say, I was about to go to his house. So, what does that mean? It means you were ready, you had almost left, and then suddenly something changed. Maybe he called you and said, Hey, I'm not at home. So now you didn't go. That's why you say, I was about to go. See the feeling? You were just at that point of doing it. That's all. Let's try a few more simple ones. I am about to eat. That means I am going to eat in a few seconds. She is about to sleep. That means she will sleep very soon. They are about to start the game. That means the game will begin any moment. So don't complicate it. Just remember this one idea. About to equals just going to do something now. Now let's make it even more interesting. Let's listen to a small conversation. Imagine two friends getting ready for a party. Just listen and notice how they use about to.
Hey Neha, are you ready for the party?
Almost. I'm just about to finish my house chores.
Oh, nice. So you'll come soon?
Yes. I'm about to leave in 10 minutes.
Great. How are you coming? Car or cab?
I think I'll take a cab. I'm about to book it right now.
Okay. Do you need any help?
No, I'm good. Everything is almost done.
And what about your kids? Are they coming with you?
No, they're not coming. They're about to sleep, so I'll leave them at home.
All right. I'm about to get ready too. See you soon.
Yes, see you at the party.
See how natural that sounded. No big grammar, no pressure. Just simple, real life English. Now it's your turn. Let's make this practical. Right now, think about your day. What are you going to do in the next few minutes? Say it like this. I am about to eat. I am about to study. I am about to go outside. I am about to call my friend. Say at least 5 sentences. And don't just think, say it out loud. Even better, record your voice. Listen to yourself. That's how you improve. And if you're with your parents or friends, ask them, what are you about to do? Make it a conversation. That's how language becomes real. We'll come back with more such simple and practical English. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing. Thank you for listening to BodhiKidz.